In 1793, the Supreme Court made a decision that terrified every state in the Union. It ruled that a private citizen could sue a state in federal court. Within days, Congress was already working on an amendment to reverse it. During the Revolutionary War, a South Carolina merchant named Robert Farquhar sold supplies to the state of Georgia: uniforms, cloth, goods the war effort needed. Georgia promised to pay. Georgia never paid. Farquhar died. His executor, Alexander Chisholm, wanted to collect the debt, but Georgia refused to even show up in court. The state argued it was sovereign, immune, above the jurisdiction of any federal judge. A state cannot be sued without its consent. The Supreme Court disagreed. In Chisholm versus Georgia, the court ruled 4-1 that Article 3 of the Constitution allowed citizens of one state to sue another state in federal court. Georgia was ordered to pay. The states panicked. If any citizen could drag a state into federal court, states could be buried in lawsuits, war debts, contract disputes, land claims. The financial exposure was enormous. State legislators saw this as a power grab by the federal judiciary. They hadn't signed up for this when they ratified the Constitution, or at least they didn't think they had. Congress moved fast. The 11th Amendment was proposed within 2 years and ratified in 1795. The judicial power of the United States shall not be construed to extend to any suit in law or equity commenced or prosecuted against one of the United States by citizens of another state or by citizens or subjects of any foreign state. You cannot sue a state in federal court just because you're from somewhere else. If a state owes you money, you need the state's consent to bring the case. The federal judiciary doesn't automatically have jurisdiction. The 11th Amendment was the first to override a Supreme Court decision. It didn't protect individuals from the government. It protected a state government from federal courts. Whether that's a feature or a flaw depends on who you're asking. But the amendment tells you something important. The tension between state sovereignty and federal power didn't end when the Constitution was ratified. It was just beginning. This is the 11th of 27 amendments. Follow along.